Hi guys, welcome to my channel Flying Bees. First of all, I would like to thank you all for your love and support to our channel. Our recipe is cauliflower and fish fry. So for cauliflower, we have taken some pieces
of cauliflower.
Yeah, and some
This coriander leaves. That's not needed. That is for a different dish. Okay.
Okay,
and
so this is onions.
Onions, ginger, garlic, and chili.
Garlic and chili.
And
also, we have marinated some fish right here.
Okay.
We have to heat the pan. So we are starting on off some
Cooking
with
oil.
some oil. We're gonna add some ginger, garlic, and chili.
Of course.
Right. So let's put some ginger, garlic, and chili.
Okay.
So now we are gonna add some onions.
Okay.
Right. Now we are gonna add some pinch of salt.
Salt. So for the onions to cook properly.
Yeah. Start. So
Now we are going to add some masala powder, that is meat masala, half a spoon, and a pinch of turmeric. Okay, and that's done. Now we are just going to give a small stir. No need to fry. Okay, actually, and immediately we are going to add the what are we going to add? Cauliflower.
Start. So let's put this one some cauliflower.
That's it.
Which looks like white broccoli.
Yeah, we are done now. Let it cook for 10 minutes in a very low sim.
Start.
Okay, I'm just going to put some little water.
Right.
Heat the pan and okay, parallelly we are going to fry the fish. For that we are going to
Heat the pan.
and put some oil.
Start.
Yeah.
So we are going to put
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Okay. This is butai fry.
start. So we have this.
Flip it now. I have already flipped, okay?
So we have completed our
So we are finished
brinjal.
with what brinjal? Is it a brinjal?
Yeah. Cauliflower.
Which school you are studying in?
I'm confused with cauliflower.
Cauliflower, okay.
Cauliflower.
Now we are done with cauliflower. Just we are going to off it. It's all right. We'll test it later. Let it cool down. Okay. Meanwhile, our fish is also getting ready here. Guys, today is a very simple recipe. All the working people who don't have time can try this one. Okay, after coming back from work, a simple recipe for the dinner. So our fish fry is ready and also our cauliflower is ready. Now it's time for dinner.
Quick dinner.
Yeah, our quick dinner is ready with cauliflower, rice,
Mango and fish.
Fish is what is this fish?
Sardine.
Sardine. Yes, we call it butai in our place. What? Tarla in Konkani, butai in Tulu or Kannada, and matti in Malayalam. Okay then. Is it okay? Spicy? No. Okay, very good.
That sounds mango.
Mango, I'm sure there is no spice in that because it's a ready-made one. How are you eating? You are eating ulta pulta. Yeah.
So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment and share.
Comment and share. Yeah.
And
Eat healthy.
eat healthy.
Stay safe.
Live
You
on.
long.
Bye.